Last week, a customer pulled into my shop with a 2019 Toyota Camry that had just under 95,000 miles on the odometer. The car owner looked completely confused. He said, "I've never missed an oil change. I don't race the car. Why is the engine making this horrible ticking noise?" After a quick inspection, the answer became painfully obvious. The engine was not dying because of one major failure. It was being destroyed by years of small, everyday habits that he never realized were causing damage. The truth is, this is not an unusual story. I have been wrenching for 18 years, and I see cases like this every single day. Modern engines are incredibly advanced and can easily last 200,000 to 300,000 miles, but only if they are treated properly. In this video, I am going to reveal the 11 everyday habits that are quietly ruining your engine, transmission, and drivetrain without you even realizing it. Let's dive in. Tip number 11. Transmission fluid replacement. One of the biggest misconceptions in the automotive world is the phrase lifetime transmission fluid. Unfortunately, transmission fluid doesn't magically last forever. Automatic transmission fluid performs several demanding jobs simultaneously. It lubricates gears and bearings, transfers hydraulic pressure, cools clutch packs, and carries away microscopic clutch material created during normal operation. Over time, transmission temperatures often exceed 200 degrees Fahrenheit, and every increase of about 20 degrees above normal can dramatically shorten fluid life. Oxidized fluid loses its lubricating ability that allows clutch packs to slip, seals to harden, and internal valves to stick. Instead of waiting until problems appear, it is recommended performing a drain and fill service every 50,000 to 60,000 miles. This replaces a portion of the old fluid while avoiding the shock that sometimes accompanies neglected high-mileage flushes. Repeating this process during future services gradually renews nearly the entire fluid supply. This maintenance routine has helped countless Toyota, Honda, Lexus, and Ford transmissions exceed 300,000 miles without requiring a rebuild. Tip number 10. Flush coolant before it turns acidic. Many drivers rarely think about coolant unless the temperature gauge begins climbing. But coolant does far more than prevent overheating. Modern engine coolant contains corrosion inhibitors that protect aluminum cylinder heads, radiators, heater cores, water pumps, and countless internal cooling passages from rust, electrolysis, and mineral buildup. As coolant ages, these protective additives become depleted, and eventually, your coolant becomes acidic. And instead of protecting metal surfaces, it slowly begins attacking them. Acidic coolant can damage head gaskets, clog narrow radiator passages, erode water pump impellers, and even corrode engine blocks from the inside out. Most manufacturers recommend replacing coolant every 5 years or around 100,000 miles, although severe climates may require shorter intervals. During every coolant service, inspect hoses for swelling, cracks, and soft spots, and replace the radiator cap if its pressure spring has weakened. A healthy cooling system maintains stable operating temperatures, reduces engine stress, improves combustion efficiency, and greatly increases the lifespan of critical engine components. Tip number 9. Change engine oil before it becomes a problem. Here is the one bad habit that nearly 90% of drivers make, and it's silently destroying thousands of engines long before they ever reach the 100,000-mile mark. The shocking part is, most people don't even realize they are doing it. Out of every maintenance task your car needs, nothing has a bigger impact on your engine's lifespan than changing the engine oil correctly and on time. Engine oil is not simply a lubricant. It also cools internal engine components, suspends dirt and carbon particles. But every mile you drive exposes the oil to intense heat, combustion gases, fuel dilution, moisture, and microscopic metal particles. Over time, even the highest quality synthetic oil loses its protective additives and begins forming sludge and varnish. That's why many experienced mechanics recommend changing synthetic oil every 5,000 miles, even when manufacturers advertise intervals of 10,000 miles or more. Turbocharged engines deserve even shorter intervals of around 3,500 to 4,000 miles, because turbochargers spin at speeds exceeding 200,000 revolutions per minute. That puts enormous stress on engine oil. Tip number 8. Replace spark plugs before they start misfiring. Spark plugs may look like simple components, but they are responsible for igniting the air-fuel mixture thousands of times every minute. At highway speeds, each spark plug can fire more than 2,000 times per minute, and over 100,000 miles, that adds up to hundreds of millions of ignition events. Even premium iridium spark plugs slowly wear down as the center electrode erodes. That increases the gap between the electrodes. As this gap grows larger, the ignition coil must generate significantly higher voltage to produce a spark. Eventually, weak spark plugs cause incomplete combustion, rough idling, hesitation during acceleration, poor fuel economy, and increased carbon deposits inside the combustion chamber. Many drivers wait until a check engine light appears, but by then, the extra strain may have already weakened expensive ignition coils that often cost $100 each to replace. Most modern iridium spark plugs last between 60,000 and 100,000 miles, depending on the engine design. Replacing them slightly before the recommended interval keeps combustion efficient and reduces stress on the ignition system. Tip number 7. Proactive timing belt replacement. Over 70% of modern engines utilize an interference design, meaning the pistons and valves occupy the same space inside the combustion chamber at different fractions of a second. If a timing belt snaps, then your camshaft stops while the crankshaft keeps spinning at thousands of RPM. That may cause pistons to slam directly into open valves in less than 0.001 seconds. This results in bent valves, cracked pistons, and destroyed cylinder heads, which, in result, turns a running engine into scrap instantly. Most manufacturers recommend replacing the timing belt every 60,000 to 105,000 miles, or every 6 to 8 years, whichever comes first. Whenever the belt is replaced, it's also wise to install a new water pump, belt tensioner, and idler pulleys, since these components have similar service lives. Tip number 6. Induction and fuel injector decarbonization. Modern GDI engines are engineering marvels, but they hide a costly weakness that can silently steal your engine's performance. Unlike older engines, they inject fuel directly into the cylinders that boost fuel economy by up to 15%, but the intake valves never get washed by gasoline. As a result, oily vapors bake into hard carbon deposits that can reduce airflow by up to 10% in just 30,000 miles. The result? Rough idling, sluggish acceleration, random misfires, and noticeable power loss. Furthermore, dirty fuel injectors with compromised spray patterns cause uneven combustion and dump unburned fuel into the exhaust system. That's why mechanics recommend intake and fuel system decarbonization every 40,000 to 60,000 miles, whether through injector cleaners, throttle body service, intake cleaning. Spending around $50 a year on preventive cleaning can help you avoid catalytic converter failures that often cost over $1,500, while keeping your engine smooth, efficient, and performing like new for years to come. Tip number 5. Replace the PCV valve before it damages your engine. Hidden somewhere on almost every gasoline engine is a tiny component that costs less than a tank of fuel but can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. This component is positive crankcase ventilation, or PCV valve. Every time your engine runs, a small amount of combustion pressure slips past the piston rings into the crankcase. The PCV valve continuously pulls these harmful gases back into the intake manifold, where they are burned during normal combustion. But after years of service, the valve can become clogged with sludge or stick open due to carbon buildup that eventually forces oil past crankshaft seals, valve cover gaskets, and timing covers. Ultimately, this leads to expensive oil leaks. That's why mechanics often recommend replacing the PCV valve every 50,000 to 70,000 miles, especially on turbocharged and direct injection engines where oil vapor buildup is more severe. Tip number 4. Never drive with very low fuel. If you are the type of driver who waits until the fuel warning light comes on before stopping at a gas station, then you're not alone. Surveys suggest that more than 1/3 of drivers regularly drive with less than a quarter tank of fuel, believing they're simply maximizing every gallon. Unfortunately, your fuel pump doesn't see it that way. In most modern vehicles, the electric fuel pump sits inside the gas tank and depends on gasoline itself to cool and lubricate the motor. When fuel levels get too low, then your fuel pump loses much of that cooling effect. Excessive heat is one of the leading reasons fuel pumps fail prematurely, and replacing one typically costs between $500 and $1,500. Running nearly empty also increases the chance of drawing sediment and debris from the bottom of the tank into the fuel system, which, in result, forces the fuel filter and injectors to work harder. Professional mechanics generally recommend refueling once the tank reaches about 1/4 full. It's a simple habit that protects your fuel system, improves reliability, and helps keep your engine running smoothly for years. Tip number 3. Flooring the gas pedal on a cold engine. We've all been tempted to start the car and immediately accelerate hard to merge into traffic. But doing this before your engine reaches operating temperature is one of the fastest ways to increase long-term engine wear. Studies conducted by lubrication engineers show that the majority of engine wear occurs during cold starts, especially within the first few minutes after startup. That's because engine oil thickens as temperatures drop, that makes it slower to reach critical components like camshafts, crankshaft bearings, turbochargers, and timing chain guides. During this brief period, metal parts are operating with reduced lubrication while they are also expanding toward their normal operating clearances. Flooring the accelerator dramatically increases cylinder pressure and bearing loads before the protective oil film has fully developed. Turbocharged engines are even more vulnerable because turbochargers can spin at speeds exceeding 200,000 revolutions per minute, and they depend entirely on a constant flow of clean oil. Instead of aggressive acceleration, automotive engineers recommend driving gently for the first 3 to 5 minutes. This allows the oil, coolant, and transmission fluid to warm gradually. This simple habit can significantly reduce engine wear and help your vehicle last hundreds of thousands of miles. Tip number 2. Avoid revving the engine before turning it off. Have you ever seen someone rev their engine right before shutting off the ignition? This old habit dates back decades, but on modern engines, it does far more harm than good. Every time you suddenly rev the engine 4,000 to 6,000 revolutions per minute and immediately switch it off, many moving components are still spinning at high speed, while oil pressure instantly drops to 0. That means crankshaft bearings, camshafts, timing chains, and valve train components briefly lose the lubrication they need. The situation is even worse for turbocharged engines. A turbocharger can spin at over 200,000 revolutions per minute, and shutting the engine off immediately after aggressive revving can leave the turbo rotating without adequate oil flow that accelerates bearing wear. Instead of revving the engine, simply let it return to idle for a few seconds before shutting it down. If you've been driving hard or towing, then allow your engine to idle for 30 to 60 seconds. This helps stabilize temperatures and lets oil continue protecting critical components. Tip number 1. Immediate mitigation of minor faults. One of the biggest reasons high-mileage vehicles survive is because their owners catch small problems before they become catastrophic failures. A 5-minute inspection every month can often prevent repair bills worth thousands of dollars. Start by checking radiator hoses for swelling, cracks, or soft spots that indicate internal deterioration. Inspect serpentine belts for glazing, fraying, or missing ribs, since a broken belt can instantly disable the alternator, water pump, and power steering system. Look underneath the vehicle for fresh oil, coolant, transmission fluid before they become serious. Pay close attention to suspension components, including ball joints and control arm bushings. Worn suspension parts don't just affect ride quality. They increase tire wear, place extra stress on wheel bearings, and reduce vehicle stability during emergency maneuvers. If you live in areas where roads are salted during winter, regularly wash the undercarriage to remove corrosive salt deposits that quietly eat away at brake lines, fuel lines, suspension mounts, and the vehicle's frame. Many vehicles are retired not because their engines fail, but because rust destroys the structure underneath. Routine inspections take only minutes, but can literally add years to your vehicle's life. The bottom line of this video is, hitting 300,000 miles is not about luck. It's about staying ahead of maintenance schedules with precision. Drop a comment below with your vehicle's current mileage. Hit that subscribe button for more deep dive automotive guides, and let's keep those high mileage engines running.